Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Saminado Family. So today guys, isang big news ang ibabahagi ko sa inyo. And ang ating topic for today is ang mga job opportunities na pwede nyong applyan kung isa kayo sa mga kababayan natin na nagpaplano or may balak na pumunta dito sa Canada. Ngunit nag-search pa kayo kung ano yung mga different pathways na pwede nyong acquire or ma-consider. Alright? But before that guys, we would like to say thank you so much to all our new subscribers. Salamat po sa pag-subscribe. Guys, malapit na tayo sa road to 500! Thank you so much sa aming mga new subscribers. Salamat po sa pag-subscribe. Na-appreciate po namin yung mga likes and comments nyo and mga recommendation nyo. So, kung ikaw ay isa sa mga viewers namin na hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please consider to subscribe our YouTube channel, Saminado Family. And don't forget to click like button if you like this topic for today. And hit mo na rin guys yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga incoming vlogs namin. And itong YouTube channel namin, kung hindi mo pa na-browse, ito yung mga news na ina-updates natin and binabahagi natin yung mga karanasan natin, mga personal experience natin as landed permanent residents and of course, buhay dito sa Canada as a worker and also buhay namin as personal dun sa, kasi family kami na nandito sa Canada. Alright? And of course, today, i-discuss ko sa inyo ang step-by-step procedure kung paano mag-apply sa isa sa mga website na pwede nyong considered when you are applying or when you are applying papunta dito sa Canada. So, stay tuned guys and we will start right now. Okay guys, punta tayo dito sa website ng jobbank.gc.ca and hanapin natin yung mga job posting dito as of February 29. So, click lang natin pababa and yan makikita natin merong mga option dyan and select natin foreign candidates from outside Canada. So, click mo lang yan and then punta na tayo dito sa anong mga job position yung gusto nating tingnan and location yan is within the Canada guys. So, example tayo ng food service supervisor. Okay, select mo lang dyan and then yung location Canada and then click search button and guys lalabas na yung mga job posting dyan tungkol sa food service supervisor. So, marami nakakalagay dyan kung anong province in Canada, kailan ipinost, at saka magkano yung salary per hour. So, ayan, ang dami guys na job opportunities dyan. Dito lang kayo mag-check guys. And pili na kayo kung alin yung gusto nyo. So, select tayo ng isa, try tayo ng isa. Yung updated, yung kakapost lang. Ayan, February 29 yan. Bagong-bago guys. So, select mo lang yan. And then, yan. And makikita nyo, posted siya today. Tapos, sa Alberta, 18 per hour. So, yan yung mga requirements. Education, at least secondary high school graduate. Experience, guys, 2 years to less than 3 years. So, nakalagay lang dyan yung mga job qualification nila. Ano yung responsibility, supervision, additional information. So, who can apply to this job? So, yan, tumatanggap sila ng other candidates with or without a valid permit. Click mo lang how to apply and send mo yung resume mo dyan sa career@streetfood.com. Yun lang, guys. Okay, so try agad tayo ng para naman sa cook job position. So, select ulit natin yung Canada and click search button and then lalabas na dyan yung mga hiring about sa cook. So, ang dami guys din na nakapost ngayon, job opportunities para sa mga may cook experience. So, yan, ang dami guys. And pinaka-recent natin na nakita is itong February 28. So, try natin isa. Yan, sa pizza. So, 17.50 to 18.50 per hour. Education, no degree. Experience, 1 to less than 7 months. Yan, guys. So, ito yung mga job responsibilities and who can apply to this job. So, acceptance ulit sila other candidates with or without a valid Canadian work permit. Yan, tumatanggap po sila. And napakalaking opportunity niyan. Also, how to apply, send your resume dito sa binigay nila na details. And yun lang guys. So, napakalaking bagay. Okay guys, food counter attendant, another job opportunities dito sa Canada. So, search natin yung mga job hiring right now. So, yan, ang dami guys. Makikita nyo dyan. Pipili lang kayo. Select nyo kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto nyo. And then, yan, food counter attendant. Kuha tayo na isang sample. So, ito ay sa Victoria, BC, British Columbia, 16.75 per hour. So, they are looking for permanent employment as full-time. Education, no degree, requirements, experience, kahit walang experience. And again, other candidates with or without a valid Canadian work permit, they accept. Show how to apply. Isend nyo lang guys dito sa kanilang email address yung resume nyo. And very important yan. So, I think that's Popeyes company. So, that's all for today's guys. And I hope you learned something about this topic for today's. And please, don't forget to click like button if you learned something. And of course, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe. And thank you so much. We appreciate your recommendation. And don't be shy. If you have a question, comment below lang kayo guys. See you in the next vlog. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.